Instructional design is designing, developing, and delivering instructional materials. You start by defining goals. You also need to analyze your learners. Who are they? What do they need? To create effective teaching materials for learners, you use an instructional design model. The ADDIE model is commonly used in education: analysis, design, develop, implement, evaluate. As a GED teacher, you need to help students achieve passing scores on all 4 GED tests. The most common area of concern is math. Step 1, analysis. You analyze their needs and their capabilities. Step 2, design. Define goals and the appropriate format so you may create assessments and build instructional content. Step 3, develop. Create the format prototype, develop the course materials, and review to see if it functions. Step 4, implement. Assign students and train them to use the site to access instruction, practice, and assessment. Observe how it works for them. Step 5, evaluate. Evaluate the students' knowledge acquisition and behaviors. Have the students met their goals? If necessary, start again at the beginning. Use your evaluations to improve the learning environment so the students may learn.